Hey there, Anna here. Today, I'll show you how I learned to draw and rotate boxes. I've been told that learning to draw a box is a good exercise to improve your perception of space. And since every object can be reduced to a box, it will also help you to draw anything in 3D. For this study, I will use a Rubik's Cube as my real-life reference. So to start, let's talk about a few similarities and differences between a real-life cube and a drawing of a cube. The first thing is that we can see up to 3 sides of a cube at once, and that's true for both real life and drawing. As for the differences, the main thing is that in real life the lines of a cube are parallels, but when we draw it, the lines will converge to the vanishing point. A cube can have up to 3 vanishing points. So to draw it, we need to slightly converge the lines to these points. When the cubes are far away, the convergence is not as significant. But the closer the box is to the viewer, the more noticeable it is. So, how to draw a box? The first thing is to draw the corner closer to the viewer. In this position, the angles between the lines are equal. Then, we slightly converge the lines, imagining they will meet in a faraway vanishing point. And we do that to each side. And to rotate the box, first, we need to find the center of rotation. Let's say you want to rotate the box this way. To get the center of rotation, we draw a cross from corner to corner. And with that, we can draw an ellipse. We will use the ellipse to rotate the box. So we mark how much we want to rotate and the direction, in this case, anti-clockwise. Then we connect the marks we made. Now we can draw the rest of the cube, converging the lines to their vanishing point. And this will be the same process to each way we want to rotate the box. So to practice, I did this exercise that I saw in a video. You need to draw a lot of boxes in perspective and try to rotate some of them. It was a fun way to practice and really helpful. After drawing a bunch of boxes, I moved to cylinders. It is pretty easy after you learn how to draw a cube. So we have a box here. To transform into a cylinder, we draw an X in one of the faces to find the center point. Then we divide it with lines and draw a circle with the help of these quadrants. We do the same thing on the opposite face of the box. Now just connect the circles and we have a cylinder. If you can draw a box at any angle, you can also draw a cylinder. And knowing those two shapes will help you draw pretty much anything in perspective. Body parts, animals, rocks, trees. It's a good skill to have. So if you want to learn more about the fundamentals of paintings, I made a video on how to do value studies. Check it out. Until next time.